How to make an article manuscript submission to the Journal of English Literacy Education. There are only two simple steps in doing the submission. First is account registration and then article submission. To register your account in the journal, you need to prepare a valid email address. You need to make sure that the email is working and is not blocked by the provider. To access the homepage of the journal, you need to go to the following web address. This is the homepage of the journal. You can browse it to make yourself familiar with it. To make the account registration in the journal, first you need to tap or click on the Register tab on the website. When you click or tap Register, you'll be forwarded to the registration form. You need to fill all applicable blanks in the form. You must make sure that the email address you fill in is valid and working. After you have finished filling in, you have to click or tap the Register button to continue the registration process. And then the system will send a confirmation link to the email, and you need to click the confirmation link to finish the process of registration. After the registration process is done, now you can proceed to the submission process. However, before that, you need to type in your username and password into the provided space on the homepage, or you can click Login tab to be forwarded to Login page. To start with the submission, click the Login tab and type in your username and password. Then you'll be forwarded to the active submission page. To make a submission, click on the New Submission button to go through the 5 steps submission procedures. The first step is starting the submission, in which you need to read and understand the submission checklist and copyright notice. And you also need to tick in the appropriate boxes. If you have comments to the editor concerning the submission, you could do so, or you could leave it blank. After that, click Save and Continue. Step 2 is uploading the submission. Upload your manuscript by first clicking Choose File, locate the file, and then open it, and then click Upload. Make sure that the manuscript has satisfied all the requirements from the journal. And then, don't forget to click Save and Continue. The next step is entering metadata. Fill in all applicable information of the author. You can add author if that's the case, and you also need to fill in the applicable information of the other authors. You can change authorship order and also determine the principal contact. And then you must type in the title, the abstract, and the references of the article. Don't forget to click Save and Continue to proceed to the next step. The next step is uploading the supplementary file, if any, or you can just skip this step by clicking Save and Continue. The last step is confirming the submission. Click Finish Submission, and then you'll be forwarded to the active submission page. If you do the entire process correctly, you'll see the title of the manuscript on that page. After you have done all the process, what you need to do is to wait for the assignment from the editors of the journal. Those are all the simple steps on making submission on the Journal of English Literacy Education of the English Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Sriwijaya University.